Settle back as comfortably as you can and close your eyes. Let yourself relax to the best of your ability. Now, as you relax like that, clench your first fist. Just clench your fist tighter and tighter, and study the tension as you do so. Keep it clenched and feel the tension in your right fist, hand, forearm. Now relax. Let the fingers of your right hand become looser and observe the contrast in your feeling. Now let yourself go and try to become more relaxed all over. Once more, clench your right fist really tight and hold it, and notice the tension again. Now let go. Relax. Your fingers straighten out, and you notice the difference once more. Repeat that with your left fist. Clench your left fist while the rest of your body relaxes. Clench that fist tighter and feel the tension. Now relax. Again, enjoy the contrast. Repeat that once more. Clench the left fist tighter and tense. Now do the opposite of tension. Relax and feel the difference. Continue relaxing like that for a while. Clench both fists tighter and tighter. Both fists tense, forearm tense. Study the sensation. Relax. Straighten out your fingers and feel the relaxation. Continue relaxing your hands and your forearms more and more. Now bend your elbows and tense your biceps. Tense them harder and study the tension feeling. All right. Straighten out your arms and let them relax. And feel the difference again. Let the relaxation develop. Once more. Tense your bicep. Hold the tension and observe it carefully. Straighten the arms and relax. Relax to the best of your ability. Each time, pay close attention to your feeling. When you tense up and when you relax. Now straighten your arms. Straighten them so that you feel the most tension in your tricep muscles along the back of your arms. Stretch your arms and feel the tension. Now relax. Get your arms back into a comfortable position. Let the relaxation proceed on its own. The arms should feel comfortably heavy as long as you allow them to relax. Straighten the arms once more so that you can feel the tension in the tricep muscles. Straighten them. Feel the tension and relax. Now concentrate on pure relaxation in the arms without any tension. Get your arms comfortable and let them relax further and further. Continue relaxing your arms even further. Even when your arm seems fully relaxed, try to go that extra bit further. Try to achieve deeper and deeper levels of relaxation. Let your arms go loose and heavy. Just settle back quietly and comfortably. Wrinkle up your forehead now. Wrinkle it tighter. Now stop wrinkling your forehead. Relax and smooth it out. Picture the entire forehead becoming smoother as relaxation increased. Now frown and ease your brows and study the tension. Let go of the tension again. Smooth out the forehead once more. Now close your eyes tighter and tighter. Feel the tension. Relax your eyes. Keep your eyes closed, gently and comfortably, and notice the relaxation. Now clench your jaws. Bite your teeth together. Study the tension throughout the jaws. Relax your jaws now. Let your lips part slightly. Appreciate the relaxation. Now press your tongue hard against the roof of your mouth. Look for the tension. All right. Let your tongue return to a comfortable and relaxed position. Now pursue your lips. Press your lips together tighter and tighter. Relax the lips. Note the contrast between tension and relaxation. Feel the relaxation all over your face, all over your forehead, and your eyes, jaws, lips, and throat. The relaxation progresses further and further. Now attend to your neck muscle. Press your head back as far as it can go, and let the tension in the neck now roll it to the left. Straighten your head and bring it forward. Press your chin against your chest. Let your head return to a comfortable position and study the relaxation. Just relax. Shrug your shoulders. Hold the tension. Drop your shoulders and feel the relaxation. Neck and shoulders relaxed. Shrug your shoulders again and move them around. Bring your shoulders up and forward and back. Feel the tension in your shoulders and in your upper back. Drop your shoulders once more and relax. Let the relaxation spread deeper into the shoulders, right into your back muscles. Relax your neck and your throat and your jaws and other facial areas as the pure relaxation takes over and grows deeper, deeper, and deeper. Relax your entire body to the best of your ability. Feel that comfortable heaviness that accompanies relaxation. Notice how the relaxation increases your exhale As you breathe out, just feel that relaxation. Now breathe right in and fill your lungs. Inhale deeply and hold your breath. Study the tension. Now exhale. Let the walls of your chest grow loose and push the air out automatically. Continue relaxing and breathe freely and gently. Feel the relaxation and enjoy it. With the best of your body as relaxed as possible, fill your lungs again. Breathe in deeply and hold it again. That's fine. Breathe out and appreciate the relief. Just breathe normally. Continue relaxing your chest and let the relaxation spread to your body, shoulder, neck and arms. Merely let go. Enjoy the relaxation. Now let's pay attention to your abdominal muscles, your stomach area. Tighten your stomach muscles. Make your abdomen hard. Notice the tension and relax. Let the muscle loosen and notice the contrast. Once more, press and tighten your stomach muscle. Make your abdomen hard. Notice the tension and relax. Let the muscle loosen and notice the contrast. Once more, press and tighten your stomach muscle. Hold the tension and study it. Relax. Notice the general well-being that comes with your relaxing stomach. Now draw your stomach in, pull the muscle in, and feel the tension this way. Relax again. Let your stomach out. Continue breathing normally and easily. Feel the gentle massaging action all over your chest and stomach. Now pull your stomach in again and hold the tension. Push out and tense like that. Hold the tension. Once more. Pull in and feel the tension. Now relax your stomach fully. Let the tension dissolve as the relaxation grows deeper. Each time you breathe out, notice the rhythmic relaxation both in your lungs and in your stomach. Try and let go of all contractions anywhere in your body. Now direct your attention to your lower back. Arch your back, making your lower back quite hollow, and feel the tension along your spine. Settle down comfortably again, relaxing the lower back. Just arch your back and feel the tension as you do so. Try to keep the ready of your body as relaxed as possible. Try to localize the tension throughout your lower back area. Relax once more, relaxing further and further. Relax your lower back, relax your upper back. Spread the relaxation to your stomach, chest, shoulder, arms, facial areas. These parts relaxing further, 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 even deeper. Let go of all tension and relax. Now relax your thighs. Relax your thighs by pressing down your heels as hard as you can. Relax and note the difference. Straighten your knees. Relax your thigh muscles again. Hold the tension. Relax your hips and thighs. Allow relaxation to proceed on its own. Press your feet and your toes downward, away from your face, so that your calf muscle become tense. Study the tension. Relax your feet and calves. This time, bend your feet towards your face so that you can feel the tension along by your toes right up. Relax again. Keep relaxing for a while. Now you can become twice as relaxed as you were merely by taking in a deep breath and exhaling slowly. With your eyes closed, you become less aware of objects that are around you, and thus preventing any surface tension. Breathe in deeply and feel yourself becoming heavier. Take in a long, deep breath and let it out very slowly. Feel how heavy and relaxed you have become. In a state of perfect relaxation, you should feel unwilling to move a single muscle in your body. Think about the effort that could be required to raise your right arm. As you think about raising your right arm, see if you can notice any tension that might have crept into your shoulders and arm. You decide not to lift the arm, but to continue relaxing. Observe the relief and the disappearance of the tension. Just carry relaxing like that. When you wish to get up, count backward from 4, 3, 2, 1. You should then feel fine, refreshed, wide awake, calm, and ready for a good work. Have a nice day.